Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some kitchen countertop decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Kitchen countertop decoration is all about styling the surfaces in your kitchen to make the theme both functional and visually appealing. It's a way to express your personality while keeping your space organized and inviting. Here's how it works. Functional items as decor. Use everyday items like cutting boards, spice jars, or utensil holders as stylish accents. Natural elements. Add greenery with potted herbs or fresh flowers to bring in life and color. Statement pieces. A bold vase, a sculpture, or decorative bowl can serve as a focal point. Organize zones. Use trays or baskets to group items like oils, salts, and paper, keeping things tidy and chic. Seasonal touches. Swap out decor based on the season. Think pumpkins in fall or citrus bowls in summer. Wooden cutting boards adds warmth and texture, doubles as practical kitchen tools. Herb garden. Fresh herbs in small pots for cooking and decoration. Coffee station. A dedicated corner with mugs, machine, and accessories. Fruit bowl. Adds color and encourages healthy snacking. Decorative trays. Corals items like vials, speeches, or candles for a curated look. Makes your kitchen feel welcoming and lived in. Smart and stylish countertop tips. Keep it minimal but meaningful. Avoid clutter. Choose a few key items that reflect your style. Use decorative trays to group items like vials, speeches, or tea essentials. Layer with texture. Mix materials like wood, ceramic, glass, and metal. A wooden cutting board next to a marble utensil holder adds visual interest. Add a puff of green. Small potted herbs like basil or mint are both beautiful and useful. Succulents or hanging plants and freshness without taking up much space. Use vertical space. Tiered stands or wall-mounted shelves can free up counter space while adding style. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.